Good afternoon, students. In today's class, we are going to see about the Internet of Things, and the table of contents are enabling technologies in IoT. The next one is the applications of IoT, the frequency bands, and the features and challenges of IoT. Okay, when coming to the enabling technologies of IoT, here if you see, there is a transponder and RFID reader as well as the application server. Here if you see, a transponder is going to be connected, that is nothing but it is like a tag. Okay, a tag is connected to the transponder. From there it is going to the RFID reader. From there it is coming to the application server. Let us see about this diagram in the next slide in detail. Clear? If you see here, there is a tag. This is called as a tag, as we have seen in the previous slide. Here for the tag, there is a radio frequency transponder composed by an antenna and a chip which stores the identification code. So here there is a reader which acts as a transceiver by a microprocessor and is used to gather information from an RFID tag. So here, from here, it is going to be sent to the database where it is going to store the information. In this way, the data is transmitted from one place to another place with the help of a tag to a database server. Clear? So after going to the database, it is going to collect all the information related to the tag for future reference. Clear? Okay. So let us see about the applications of IoT. If you see here, there are many applications which are going to be used in our daily life. If you see here, that first one is a consumer application, next one is a retail application, the next one is military application. The next is industrial application, automotive application, environmental application, as well as the agriculture application. So let us see with an example about a consumer application which is going to be used in. Let us see about the consumer application which is going to be used in smart homes. Okay. So in our daily life, we are going to use these IoT devices regularly. But most of us are not aware about these devices sometimes. So let us see with an example how we are going to use these IoT devices in our smart homes. Clear? So if you see here, let us take an example of an AC, air conditioning. So in previous days, what we used to do, we used to go home. After getting in, we used to switch on our AC. After 5-10 minutes, the room temperature is going to be cooled. Clear? So nowadays, nobody is having a time for these kind of things. Clear? By the time I go home, everything should be cooled. Clear? So to do such kind of things, what we have to do? We have to see that this kind of smart things should be implemented in our homes. So this can be applicable with the help of IoTs. So how it is going to work? By the time you are going to home, the AC is getting switched on, and depending upon the temperature we are going to keep, it is going to cool our room. So what happens here? What is the advantage here? The advantage is that the temperature is very cool, the first point, and we are going to save the time accordingly. If you see here in the real time also, the product tracking system. In product tracking system, let us see or give an example related to Amazon products or Flipkart products. So here we are going to use these Flipkart products or Amazon products for tracking for our daily life also. Clear? So these are IoT enabled devices. Clear? When coming to medical devices, if you see here, wearable devices. What do you mean by wearable devices? There are some kind of wearable devices just like a watch. Clear? If you are going to use a watch which is a wearable device enabled with IoT, then what happens? For example, if you take a person is having a blood pressure, okay, whenever there is a blood pressure for him, or the pressure is going to increase, BP is going to increase, the wearable gadget is going to monitor it, report to the concerned person. The concerned person is nothing but to the hospital, for example, if you take. Clear? So in this way, it is going to be used in medical services. So when coming to automotive parking, automotive you can take for parking purpose also. Clear? So in older days or previous days, what we used to do, we used to go to the parking place and see whether the parking slot is available for us or not. But nowadays there is no time for everybody. Clear? So what happened here? With the help of IoT devices, we can see that whether the parking slot is free or not. So it will inform our car that the parking slot is free, and we are going to that particular slot and we are going to do the parking. Clear? So let us see with a small example about application of IoT. If you see here the scenario of shopping I have taken. So first here, when entering the doors, scanners will identify the tags on our clothing. So just we have entered into the doors and the scanners are going to identify the tags on her clothing. After that, what happened? When shopping in the market, the good will introduce themselves. Here the goods are going to be introduced by themselves. So what is there and what is the price of that, like that. So in the third step, when moving around the goods, the reader will tell that staff to put a new one if this person has taken that good and kept it in his bag. So what happens? There is an empty place for him. Clear? So it will tell the person, the concerned person, to replace one more product in that place. Clear? In this way, after taking the goods, he is going to the checkout. Okay. So what happens here at the time of checkout? There is no need to do anything. Clear? So by paying for the goods in the microchip of the credit card and communicate with the checkout reader. Clear? So there is no need of swiping anything. Okay.